When it comes to maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home in Redmond, one of the most effective upgrades you can make is installing double-pane windows. With the area's varying weather conditions, from chilly winters to warm summers, these windows play a crucial role in regulating your home's internal temperature while also offering a range of additional benefits. Not only do double-pane windows help keep your home comfortable year-round, but they can also improve energy efficiency, reduce noise, and enhance security. In this article, we'll explore how double-pane windows can make a significant difference in your Redmond home and why they're a great investment for homeowners. Improved insulation for year-round comfort. One of the primary benefits of double-pane windows is their ability to provide superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. Double-pane windows consist of two glass panes with a layer of air or gas, usually argon or krypton, sealed between them. This layer acts as an insulating barrier, reducing heat transfer and preventing the warmth inside your home from escaping during the winter months and keeping the heat out during the summer. In Redmond, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically between seasons, this additional layer of insulation helps keep your home comfortable without putting a strain on your heating or cooling systems. During the colder months, double-pane windows help retain warmth, ensuring that your home stays cozy even when the temperature drops outside. In the warmer months, they prevent heat from entering, helping your air conditioning system maintain a cool and comfortable indoor temperature. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Energy costs can be a significant expense for homeowners in Redmond, especially during the peak heating and cooling seasons. Double-pane windows contribute to energy efficiency by minimizing the loss of heat or air-conditioned air through the windows. By acting as an additional barrier to heat transfer, they help maintain a stable indoor temperature and reduce the workload on your HVAC system. The result is a noticeable reduction in your energy consumption, leading to lower utility bills. Over time, the energy savings from installing double-pane windows can offset the initial cost of the upgrade, making them a worthwhile investment for homeowners looking to save money in the long run. Furthermore, homes with energy-efficient features like double-pane windows are more attractive to potential buyers, which can increase the resale value of your property. Noise reduction for a quieter home. In addition to improving thermal efficiency, double-pane windows also help reduce noise pollution from outside. The air or gas layer between the panes acts as a sound barrier, absorbing and dampening noise that would otherwise enter through traditional single-pane windows. This feature is especially beneficial if your Redmond home is located near a busy street, school, or other noisy areas. By installing double-pane windows, you can significantly reduce the amount of traffic, neighborhood, or other environmental noise that enters your home. Whether you're looking for peace and quiet in your living room, bedroom, or home office, double-pane windows can help create a more tranquil environment where you can relax, focus, and sleep more soundly. Enhanced security and durability. Another advantage of double-pane windows is their enhanced security. Double-pane windows are stronger and more durable than single-pane windows, as they are made with two layers of glass that are harder to break through. The space between the panes provides additional strength and resistance to impact, making it more difficult for intruders to gain access to your home. For added security, many double-pane windows come with reinforced frames and stronger locking mechanisms that further enhance your home's safety. This added durability makes double-pane windows an excellent option for homeowners who prioritize home security in addition to energy efficiency and comfort. Condensation control for a healthier home. In areas like Redmond, where temperatures can be cold in the winter and warm in the summer, condensation on windows is a common issue. When warm indoor air meets cold window surfaces, moisture can form, leading to condensation. Over time, this moisture can result in mold growth, rot, and damage to the window frame. Double-pane windows help prevent condensation by maintaining a more consistent temperature across the window surface. The insulating layer between the panes reduces the likelihood of the glass becoming too cold and creating the ideal conditions for moisture to form. As a result, double-pane windows can contribute to a healthier indoor environment by reducing the risk of moisture buildup and potential mold issues. Environmentally friendly and sustainable. By improving your home's energy efficiency, double-pane windows also make your home more environmentally friendly. Reducing the need for constant heating and cooling reduces your overall carbon footprint, which is essential in the fight against climate change. Moreover, many double-pane windows are made from recyclable materials, making them a more sustainable option than other window types. Choosing energy-efficient windows, like double-pane windows, supports both environmental conservation and sustainable living practices, which is increasingly important for many homeowners today. Conclusion: double-pane windows are the smart choice for your Redmond home. In summary, double-pane windows offer a variety of benefits that can enhance the comfort, energy efficiency, and overall performance of your Redmond home. They provide superior insulation for year-round comfort, reduce energy costs, block noise pollution, enhance security, and prevent condensation issues. Whether you're looking to reduce your utility bills, improve your home's security, or create a quieter and more comfortable living space, double-pane windows are a smart investment. If you're considering upgrading your windows, double-pane windows are a fantastic choice for homeowners in Redmond. With their numerous benefits and long-term cost savings, double-pane windows are an upgrade that will keep your home comfortable, secure, and energy efficient for years to come.